Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we can continue our lesson. Textbook exercise 3.3 we can continue. Parallelogram HOPE. Find X, Y, Z and Z unknowns. One exterior angle is given. Then one alternate angle 40. Alternate interior angle also given. We want to find X, Y and Z. See here one exterior angle given. So exterior angle plus adjacent interior angle is equal to 180 degree. That is these two angles. When we add these two angles, we will get 180 supplementary angles. These two adjacent angles form a linear pair. So how we can find this? 70 plus, so I am giving small letter a. 70 plus a is equal to 180 degree. So a is equal to supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. A is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. So here 110. So A is 110. Then opposite angle E, that is X also 110 degree. That is X is equal to 110 degree. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angle. Then see one interior angle is given. So alternate interior angle is Y only. See here 40, then Y also 40. Y is equal to 40 degree. That is alternate angle. Alternate angle. So X we got 110. Y is equal to 40 degree. Now Z also we want. See, consider this triangle HOP. Triangle HOP. Then we can use angle sum property. What is the angle sum property of a triangle? The sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That means Z plus Y plus A is equal to 180. That is Z we don't know, plus Y is 40 degree plus A is 110 is equal to 180. Then Z is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 110, 150. That is 30 degree. Z is 30 degree. This X is equal to 110. Then, what is the reason for this? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Angle sum property of a triangle. X is equal to 110 degree. Y is equal to, Z is equal to 30 degree. Y is equal to 40 degree. Alternate interior angle. Hope you all understood. Next question. Parallelogram RUNS. Then two diagonals are there, bisecting each other at a point O. Then RO is 16 degree, SO is 20 degree. Then ON is X plus Y, OU is Y plus 7. We have to find X and Y. We can use property. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means dividing exactly two equal parts. So obviously OS is equal to OU and OR is equal to ON. Diagonals of a parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So OS is 20. That is equal to Y plus 7. This is equation 1. Linear equation. Then next one. OR is equal to ON. That is 16 is equal to X plus Y. This is equation 2. Linear equation. So we want the value of X and Y. So in first equation only one unknown. So we can easily find the value of y. This y plus 7 is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 7 is equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. Then next we can substitute the value of y in second equation. That is x plus y is equal to 16. X plus 13 is equal to 16. That is x is equal to 16 minus 3. 13 is equal to 3 centimeter. So the value of x is 3 centimeter and y is 13 centimeter. Hope you all understood. Next question. The figure RLUK. Find the value of x. One angle, two angles are given. Angle K and angle L. We have to find the value of x. So consider this triangle. If we know these two angles, then we can use angle sum property and we can find the value of x. But we don't know the value of these angles. So first you have to find these two angles, angle E and angle S. So first you have to consider this as a triangle. Parallelogram. First parallelogram, that is parallelogram RISK. RISK. Parallelogram RISK. Consider RISK. See this one. So K is 120 degree. And as we don't know, and RI. Then if K is 120, then I also 120. That is angle K is equal to 120. So angle I is equal to 120. Opposite angles. Opposite angle of parallelogram RISK. So angle I is equal to here 120 we got. Then we want S and E. So first, if we know angle R, then opposite angle, these two angles are same. So we know this adjacent angle, angle R and angle K are adjacent angles. So adjacent angles property we can use. That is angle K plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So angle K is 120 plus angle R is equal to 180. So angle R is equal to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Angle R is 60 degree. So angle S also 60 degree. This angle S we got. Angle R is 60 degree. So angle S also 60 degree. That is opposite angles. Opposite angle of RISK. Now we want E. So for that you have to consider the second parallelogram. Parallelogram this parallelogram this way, that is CLUE. CLUE. That is L already given 70 degree. So E also 70 degree because opposite angle of a parallelogram CLUE. Angle L is equal to 70 degree. So angle E is equal to 70 degree. Opposite angle. Angle of CLUE, parallelogram CLUE. So this angle also we got 70 degree. Now easily we can find angle X. Now easily we can find angle X. How we can use angle sum property? This triangle we can consider. Triangle is O. That is in triangle OSE. X plus 60 plus 70 is equal to 180. Angle sum. So X is equal to 180 minus 130. That is 50 degree. This 70 plus 60 is 130. So X is equal to 180 minus 130. That is 50 degree. Hope you all understood. We can do more questions in the next class. Practice well. Take care. Thank you.